Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash and Coffee, your go-to place for crypto tutorials. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of using Binance, completing your KYC verification. Why is this important? Without KYC, you're stuck. You can't deposit fiat, you can't withdraw crypto, and you might even get locked out during high-risk activities. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, to help you get verified quickly and correctly. So what exactly is KYC? KYC stands for Know Your Customer, a legal requirement that crypto exchanges like Binance must follow. Completing KYC means providing your personal information, verifying your identity with official documents, and sometimes confirming your address. Binance has two main levels of verification: Basic Info Verified, ID and Face, Verified Plus, Proof of Address. If you haven't created an account yet, head to Binance.com or the mobile app. Click on Register, enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and enter the verification code. Tip: use a dedicated email for exchanges for added security. Once your account is created, log in and go to the dashboard. Click on Identification in the user menu, choose your country of residence, and Binance will show the available verification levels. Then click on Start Now for personal verification. Now it's time to upload your identification. Binance accepts passport, national ID card, driver's license. Choose one, make sure it's valid and clearly readable. Upload the front and back if applicable, then click Continue. Tip: avoid glare, shadows, or blurry text. That's the #1 cause of rejection. Next is the face verification step. You'll need to allow your webcam or mobile camera access. Binance will ask you to slowly turn your head and follow instructions like blinking or smiling. This ensures you're a real person, not a photo or deepfake. Tip: do this in a well-lit room and remove hats, glasses, or masks. If you want to access higher withdrawal limits, fiat transactions, or certain features like P2P or Launchpad, you'll need to complete Verified Plus. This requires proof of address. Upload a document like utility bill, bank statement, government-issued letter. It must show your name, address, and date, issued within the last 3 months. Let's talk about what could go wrong. Here are top reasons KYC gets rejected: blurry documents, incomplete ID, missing pages, wrong country, selected info, mismatch with ID fixes, re-upload using a better camera, double-check your name, and ensure documents are valid. After submission, Binance usually reviews your KYC within a few minutes to 24 hours. You'll get an email once approved or a message asking for resubmission if something went wrong. Tip: avoid resubmitting too fast, give it time, or contact support if stuck. Should you do KYC on desktop or mobile? Honestly, mobile is faster and easier for most users. The app automatically scans your ID and guides you step by step. But if you have high-res scans of your ID on your computer, desktop works just as well. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to stay secure after KYC. Enable Google Authenticator 2FA setup anti-phishing code. Don't share screenshots of your ID or dashboard. Bookmark Binance's real domain, Binance.com. These steps protect your verified account from hackers and scams. All right, that's the complete guide to completing your Binance KYC in 2025. We covered account creation, uploading your ID, face scan, address proof, and common mistakes to avoid. Now you're ready to unlock full Binance access and start trading, earning, and withdrawing confidently. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and comment verified below to let me know. See you in the next one.